So, you're in the trenches of tax planning, right? Picture this. You're at the helm of TerraTech's finances, juggling tax codes like a pro. But let's face it, the tax world is ever changing, and staying on top of it is like trying to hit a moving target in the dark. That's where ChatGPT comes in, not just as a tool, but as your strategic ally. Imagine feeding ChatGPT with your company's financials, the intricate web of international tax laws, and what do you get? A predictive powerhouse. It's like having a crystal ball that not only spots those tax-saving opportunities, but also keeps you in the clear with compliance. And when the winds of regulation change, you're not caught off guard. ChatGPT's got your back, forecasting what those shifts mean for your bottom line. Now let's talk about scenario modeling. With ChatGPT, you can play out the financial impact of your business decisions before you make them. It's like a chess game, and you're always 5 moves ahead. You get to see how different strategies play out tax-wise, giving you that clarity to make informed strategic decisions. And here's the kicker: optimization. ChatGPT sifts through the data to find those tax credits, deductions, and incentives you might not even know exist. It's like having a treasure map where X marks the spot for savings. But remember, it's not about replacing your expertise. Think of AI as the detailed map to your treasure hunt. You're still the captain of the ship, steering based on the insights AI provides. It's that human-AI synergy that turns tax planning from a reactive task into a proactive advantage. By leveraging ChatGPT, Nathan made TerraTech's tax strategy a powerhouse of savings and compliance. It's about using the information you have, not just effectively, but innovatively. So embrace AI and let's turn your tax strategy into a dynamic, forward-thinking asset that not only protects, but propels your company's financial health forward. Hey, I hope you find this valuable. Elevate your financial management career with AI proficiency and reduce your job loss risk by 60%. Seize this chance: the Finance Manager AI Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all tailored for your role. Secure your future at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. Don't miss out. All right, let's dive into the world of tax planning and strategy. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about crafting a plan that aligns with your financial goals. And that's where ChatGPT can be a game changer. First up, tax-efficient investment strategies. We're talking about maximizing your returns while minimizing your tax liability. ChatGPT can help you sift through the noise, identifying opportunities tailored to your portfolio that align with the latest tax laws. Now, entity structure optimization. This is big. The way your business is set up can significantly impact your tax obligations. ChatGPT can analyze your current structure and suggest tweaks that could save you a bundle. And let's not forget about tax credits and incentives. There's a whole world of them out there, and ChatGPT can help you navigate it, ensuring you're not leaving money on the table. International tax planning is another beast entirely. With regulations that change as you cross borders, ChatGPT can provide insights into how to manage your global tax footprint effectively. Capital expenditure planning. This is where strategic timing and selection of investments can lead to substantial tax advantages. ChatGPT can assist in forecasting the tax implications of your big-ticket purchases. Then there's tax-efficient employee compensation. It's not just about salaries, it's about creating packages that benefit both the employee and the employer. ChatGPT can propose structures that are attractive and tax-smart. Lastly, state and local tax planning. Every jurisdiction has its quirks, and ChatGPT can help you stay ahead of the curve, ensuring compliance and optimization at every turn. So, whether you're looking to grow, scale, or just stay ahead, integrating ChatGPT into your tax strategy can provide that edge you need. It's like having a tax expert in your pocket, ready to tackle the complexities of the financial landscape. Let's make those numbers work for you. Hey, quick commercial break. Streamlining financial processes with AI can boost your efficiency and earning potential by 20%. Don't miss out. Seize the opportunity. The Finance Manager's AI Guide, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored for your role. It's an indispensable resource. Get it now at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of tax planning and strategy. It's like a chess game, but instead of pawns and knights, we've got numbers and laws. And just like chess, the right moves can save you a ton of money. First up, tax-efficient debt financing. It's all about leveraging debt in a way that minimizes your tax bill. Think of it as a balancing act between interest deductions and favorable tax rates. ChatGPT can be your sidekick here, helping you simulate different scenarios to find the sweet spot. Now, onto tax-efficient charitable giving. It's not just about being generous, it's about being smart with your generosity. ChatGPT can guide you through the maze of charitable deductions, ensuring your good deeds don't go unnoticed by your wallet or the IRS. Mergers and acquisitions. They're big moves that can lead to big tax headaches. But with ChatGPT, you can map out a tax planning strategy that aligns with your business goals, ensuring you don't miss out on valuable tax benefits. Then there's tax compliance and reporting. It's like the annual checkup for your finances. ChatGPT can help streamline this process, keeping you up to date with the latest tax codes and regulations so you can file with confidence and avoid any nasty surprises. Lastly, succession and estate planning. It's about securing your legacy and making sure Uncle Sam doesn't become the main beneficiary. ChatGPT can assist in crafting a plan that protects your assets and keeps your family's future bright. So, whether you're trying to navigate the complexities of tax law or just looking to optimize your financial strategy, ChatGPT is the tool you need to turn those tax planning ideas into reality. It's like having a tax expert in your pocket, ready to crunch the numbers and chart the course to a more prosperous financial future. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey.